Hi, this is Leetcode question. Visit array positions to maximize score. This is the third question of biweekly contest number 109. In this example, the answer is 13. We will use dynamic programming to solve this question. And to do that, we declare two variables, max odd and max even. Max even represents the max score so far with the last value checked is even. Max odd represents the max score so far with the last value checked is odd. Now we will use these two variables to calculate the answer for the current index. For example, if I want to calculate the score at this index, so for this subarray we know the max even and the max odd. Now this number is odd, this is 9. Now moving from odd to odd will not cost anything, so in this case the max odd will be max odd plus 9, or we can go from max even to the odd with the cost of x. So in this case max even plus 9 minus x, which is 5. So max odd will be the maximum of these two values. So here we check if the current value is odd, like this one, the max odd will be the maximum of odd plus the current value, or from even plus 9 or plus the current value with cost of x. Now if the number is even, for example, if we want to solve for this index and we know the max even and max odd so far for this subarray, so the current value is 2, so in this case the else statement will be checked. Now because this is even, moving from even to even will not cost anything, so max even, the new value will be max even, the previous value plus the current value 2, or we can go from the max odd to the current value with the cost of x, which is 5. So the max even will be the maximum of these two value. Let's see how this works. So initially max even, we need to check if the first value is even or odd. In this case it's even, so we put the max even equal 2 and max odd will be the cost, which is minus 5. Now so this condition will apply in this case. Now we start from this index 1, I equal 1, 3. This is odd, so we need to update the value of max odd, because as we said max odd represents the score or the max score with the last value checked is odd. In this case this is odd, so 3 the value, we can go from odd to odd minus 5. This is the value of max odd plus 3 without any cost. In this case value is minus 2. Or we can move from even to odd, 2 plus the current value is 3 with the cost of x, which is 5. In this case the value is 0. The maximum of these two values is 0, so we update the max odd to be 0. Then we move to the next index, 6. Now 6 is even. What is the even number? 2. 2 plus 6 equal 8. What is the value of odd? 0 plus 6 minus cost is 5 is equal 1. So we are doing the cost in from this because the current value is even. So moving from odd to even will cost 5. What is the maximum of these two numbers? 8. So we update the max even, since this is even, to 8. The next value is 1. 1 is odd. So what is the value of max odd? 0 plus 1, current value equal 1. Or we can move from even to odd with the cost of 5. In this case answer is 4. So max odd will be the maximum of these two values, which is 4. Then the next number is odd, which is 9. Now 9 plus, what is the value at odd? Is 4. And what's the value of even? 9 plus 8 minus the cost. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 17 minus 5 equal 12. What is the maximum? It's 13. So since this is odd, this is 13. The last value is 2. 2 is even. We need to update the max even. 2 plus 8 equal 10, or 2 plus 13 minus 5 is equal also 10. The maximum is 10, so we update the max even, since this value is 10. So because this value is even, we update the max even, and at the end we return the maximum of the max even and max odd. So here we have 10, here we have 13. The answer is the maximum, which is 13.